Well, that's not what you want to see on your pressure gauge for your well pump. Of course, it's the middle of the holidays, right between Christmas and New Year's, and it's going to be a couple weeks probably before they can get the well pump ordered and installed. So in the meantime, I don't have water from the well, but I do have a pool. Just picked this up from Harbor Freight for 169 bucks. Got a 15% off coupon, so really like 130 or something like that. And I'm gonna mount it right off the deck. Just screwed some 2x4s to the joist right there. Have it hanging over the pool. I'm gonna have it suck up from the pool and give us water to the house temporarily until we get our well going. At least that's the plan. Fully functional. Got 40 PSI. Once that drops to 30, it'll kick back on and take us back up to 50. So there is my hose coming in, which then goes down here to my drain valve. So all I have to do is open up that drain valve and that will backfeed the system and put pressure in there. And I'll show you when I do it. All right, have the pump on now. We'll go ahead and open this up. And there you go, we're building pressure. Now that'll go through my plumbing system just like it was coming from the well. Good fix for the meantime so I can use the toilets. Well folks, that worked out perfectly and I'm glad it did. We had a good week or two where we could take showers, flush all the toilets, everything as normally until we got the pump in. Thankfully my cousin came out and did our well pump for us and helped me out with that. And good thing because it turned really cold afterwards, and this is now a 3-foot block of ice. It's frozen almost all the way through. So definitely came out just in time for that. A note on this is that obviously you don't want to just put random water into your house plumbing because you could get some bacteria and other stuff like that going on. You don't want to drink it. That being said, something that I didn't put earlier in the video, I did treat the pool and maintained it at 4 ppm of chlorine the entire time we were using it. So while we technically could have drank it, it would have been just like drinking city water. We still didn't, but it was safe in the meantime. Thanks for watching.